Hey all, I'm in Ottawa. Can you see my background?
A little bit of Jessica, here I am.
As Canada's capital, Ottawa is the perfect place to experience some of the country's best attractions. We are gonna go on a historic tour, but first we're gonna go to my favorite bubble tea shop in Ontario. Chat time. We are starting off at the Champlain Bridge, which connects Ottawa, which is in the province of Ontario, to Gatineau, which is in the province of Quebec. Here we have Parliament Hill, which has many different sections to take a tour of, such as Centre Block, Peace Tower, Library of Parliament, Parliament Building, and our Legislative Assembly. Parliament Hill is so important as our Canadian federal government hosts many important decisions in this area. Ottawa is a blend of Indigenous, Francophone, and Anglophone culture all in one. Here we have the Library and Archives Canada, where you can do a guided tour to get a better understanding and appreciation of Canadian society and our heritage. Here we have the National Holocaust Monument, which is directly across from the Canadian War Museum, which is a national symbol that honors and commemorates the victims of the Holocaust and recognizes Canadian survivors. If you decide to take a break in between your guided tour or your tour is complete for the day, I always recommend to stop by the many bakeries in town to get yourself a fresh baguette or any of their delicious fresh pastries they have available for you with a side of coffee or tea. When in Ottawa, get the famous beaver tail. You will thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. If you ever need assistance on booking a tour in Ottawa, please feel free to contact us at Virtual Nomads. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!